What happens behind a fence the world is forbidden to cross? Sometimes the answer is military technology. These bases aren't myths. They're real. And some secrets have stayed hidden for generations. Deep in Nevada sits Area 51, one of the most secretive military facilities ever known to the public. But the real mystery wasn't aliens. It was the technology being developed where nobody could see. Then came the U-2, a spy plane built to fly so high, enemy defenses struggled to reach it. And then came the SR-71, so fast that speed itself became part of its survival. But when people saw aircraft they couldn't identify, one explanation spread faster than the truth. That's how secrecy works. Hide the facts long enough, and the mystery becomes the story. But some secret bases weren't built to develop weapons. They were built for something far darker: survival. Beneath this mountain, emergency systems were designed to keep government operations alive during catastrophe. Imagine disaster consuming the surface, while critical command systems keep running underneath. Inside Colorado's Cheyenne Mountain is a hardened military complex built for the nuclear age. Behind massive steel doors, command systems were protected against attacks capable of devastating entire cities, because nuclear war created one terrifying question: who commands what remains after the attack? And while America built secret facilities, the Soviet Union was creating its own hidden arsenal. At Kapustin Yar, rockets and missiles were tested across a landscape where almost nobody could watch. The Cold War wasn't just about politics. It was a race to build weapons the enemy couldn't stop. Today, massive restricted ranges offer something incredibly valuable: room to test technology far from civilization. Out here, experimental aircraft can push impossible limits while radar tracks every move from the ground. And the greatest security isn't always technology. Sometimes it's thousands of empty miles hiding the facility. And when the surface isn't safe enough, the military goes deeper, far beneath the ground. Because an underground command center can keep operating even while destruction unfolds above it. But warfare has changed. Today, knowing where the enemy is can be more powerful than destroying it. And behind modern fences, AI, autonomous drones, satellites, and hypersonic systems are reshaping warfare. Now imagine a weapon that doesn't wait for a human decision, because it can make one itself. History tells us something unsettling. Yesterday's secret technology can become tomorrow's battlefield. So what are today's most secret bases hiding? The truth might stay classified for decades. Beyond this fence, something may already exist that the outside world has never seen. And perhaps the most unsettling thought is this: the next military revolution may already be underway. Because when that secret finally emerges, will humanity be ready for what it means? If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notification as we follow the stories shaping the future of our world.